Hey guys, I'm Disney Dad, and today in this video I want to talk about the top pools over at Disneyland. Let's get started. I just want to say again how much I love this Disney community, and I love bringing you guys the latest tips, tricks, and news, all related to Disney. Consider subscribing down below so you get all my latest videos. So, the topic of this video is going to be some of the best on-property and off-property pools over at Disneyland so you can make the best choice for your next trip. The list isn't in any particular order, so stay tuned to the end so you get them all. First stop on my list is the Rustic Retreat over at the Disney Californian Hotel and Spa. With the striking backdrop of this hotel, the pool area of the Disney Grand Californian Hotel and Spa is an elegant and beautiful location that offers a very natural and woodsy feel. There are 3 pools here, including the Fountain Pool, the Redwood Pool, and the Mariposa Pool. There's a 90-foot long water slide that curves around the giant stump of a redwood tree. This slide certainly sets the tone and the theme for this location. The Redwood Pool offers 2 smaller water slides and also has some cabins for rent. Coming up next on the list is the Paradise Pier Hotel. The Disney Paradise Pier Hotel invokes images of beaches and boardwalks, as well as seashore touches and whimsical designs. Disney purchased this property in 1995. Since then, it has undergone massive renovations and reimagination. The location of this hotel offers breathtaking views of Disney California Adventure, and guests can enjoy a rooftop pool with a roller coaster style water slide. In fact, the Paradise Pier water slide is the tallest at the 3 Disneyland resort hotels. There is also a kiddie pool available for younger guests. Relax in a lounge chair for a movie under the stars or watch the Disneyland Park fireworks show from the rooftop deck when available. Before I go on, I want to mention I have a couple other videos that you can go check out. It's got more in-depth detail of these hotels to give you a better choice of whether you want to stay there or not just based on the pool. So if you go up here and check it out, I'll link it up in the description down below as well. Make sure you guys check those out. Now let's jump around a little bit and hit an off-property hotel, and that would be the Howard Johnson Anaheim Hotel. This is a great off-property hotel, which means it'll be a little bit cheaper, but it doesn't lack in many areas. The Howard Johnson Anaheim Hotel and Water Playground offers quick access to the Disney Park and Disney California Adventure, both within a mile of the doors. This hotel offers a family-friendly amenities such as the Castaway Cove Water Playground, featuring water slides and spray fountain. Kids can spend hours aboard the pirate ship, featuring 4 mini water cannons, a 200-gallon drench bucket, curvy water slides, and so much more. Little ones will love meeting Speedy the Turtle playing in 13 spray fountains and taking a dip in the wading pool with beach-style entry. While the kids are splashing around, you can unwind in the relaxing hot tub with rejuvenating jets. Real quick, I want to stop and talk about the product of the day, which is a stemless wine glass that says, "I'm done adulting, I'm going to Disney." You can check it out down below in the description. I'll link it up for you guys. Now back to the video. Next on my list is another off-property option is the Courtyard Anaheim Hotel. The new Courtyard Anaheim Hotel is a mere 5 minutes away from the park. The Courtyard Anaheim features a surfside water park and is an amazing way to cool down from a long day at Disneyland. Those who are adventurous will enjoy the slides, while younger children will likely appreciate the features, which include a 30-foot water slide, a 400-gallon drench bucket, a swimming pool for kids, a kiddie pool, and a great view of Disneyland. Another hotel that I have to mention with some great pools is the Disneyland Hotel. The Disneyland Hotel is the original hotel over at Disneyland. The theming and features were originally done by Walt Disney. Disneyland Hotel has an E-ticket pool and a D-ticket pool in the middle of the hotel's inner courtyard. You can soak up some thrills at the 2 winding water slides that feature replicas of the original Mark I monorails trains. Make a big splash from the 25-foot high, 180-foot long red monorail slide, or enjoy a mere relaxing splashdown on top of a 13-foot high, 80-foot long yellow monorail slide. A 2-lane mini slide designed for smaller children also spills down into a small pool with jets, fountain, and a surging waterfall. The nostalgic water play is topped by a Disneyland sign, reminiscent of the park's classic years. Now for the question of the day, what's your favorite pool at Disneyland? Whether it's on property or off property, comment down below what you guys think is your favorite. There are a lot of options to choose over at Disneyland, whether it be on property or off property, and I'm hoping that this video can help you guys out with your next big choice. Make sure you check out my Disneyland tip videos up here. I'll link it for you guys, the playlist with all my Disneyland videos. With that being said, make sure you subscribe down below, hit that notification bell so you guys get all my latest updates. I'll see you guys next time.